This one is our hot seal digital Micro Vickers Hardness Tester. DV180 5.6p model. Let me introduce this machine for you. Yeah, this is one digital earpiece with the includer. Automatic turret. This is the standard block, hardness block. This is activatable. Digital earpiece, optional. This is the manual touch screen. Built-in printer. Okay, we can turn on the power. Automatic turret. Automatic. Here is the test force. Conversion skill. You see conversion. Rockwell, HRB, HRC. Yes. D1, D2. Earpiece 0. Save data, print data. Here is the lines, 40 lines. Automatic. Yes, automatic switch. Here is the dwell time. Let source or earpiece inside the source. This is the software system. Yes, USB cable connected with the computer. You see, adjust the hand wheel to do focus work. Focus wheel, you can press start. Unloading. Indentation will display on the computer screen directly. You see. So on the software we can automatic measure work. Auto measure. Yeah, here is the test data. Indentation image will be here. Here also can show display the conversion data, HRC, HV2. If you want to conversion, also can convert to other skills. Knoop HK. So you can display as you need. HV measurement, you can see. Test force. Knoop skill. Fracture toughness. Hardness curve. Indentation depth. And report. Word, Excel, CSV. Yeah, Word, Excel. Also can convert to PDF. Here, okay. Hardness curve. This is the secret number. Also can X. If you input just for example. We behave the curve. So there are also support manual measurement. if indentation image not so clear, so can use the menu measurement. Measure by 4 points, measure for diagonal, measure for size. Yes. And generate test report. See. Here you can add your company name, company logo. Can add here. Yeah, this is the test report.